So many.
Imagine being told that you're not good enough, that you're not intelligent enough, that you're not beautiful, you're not capable, you're not smart, you're not worthy, that your very existence, that everything that makes you you is not good enough. It's important to me that everyone gets to navigate this world with freedom, love, and with dignity, without ever feeling unsafe, without ever feeling like they're being scrutinized, or that their very existence is invalid. It's essential that queer people feel seen and empowered to occupy public and private spaces without ever feeling shame or fear. There's no longevity or growth for a state that does not reconstruct the narrative that allows for queer people to feel discriminated. We're Jamaicans, but we're humans first. I'm Kristina. I'm Jamaican, we're Jamaicans.
And we fight, but tonight we're gonna be alright.